Hey guys, welcome back for some more Aussie slang with Studymate Brisbane.
My name's Lilu, he's Joe, and this is Frank. Today we are going to bring you 5 more Aussie slangs. Here we come!
Hey everybody, thanks for joining us. If you didn't already know, every Monday on our Instagram account, we post up an Aussie slang quiz. So go test your knowledge out just here and see if you can get 5 out of 5 for this week. So the first word or the first phrase we put up this week was the phrase booze bus. So in Australia, it's pretty much bad form to drink and drive. The limit here on an open license is 0.05 and police will patrol and check people to make sure they're not drink driving.
So if you are not an open license, please do not drink. Because RBT, you need a plan B. If you drink, I think the penalty is quite heavy.
It's very severe. You'll lose your license and it's just bad form. So don't drink and drive. The term booze bus is when the police set up a sobriety test on the side of the road, you'll have to drive up to it and blow in the bag. We call that a booze bus or a booze bus station. So they'll check to make sure you're not drink driving.
Oh well, don't do it.
Don't do it.
So second word we are going to talk about today is cooked. So this word doesn't mean you're going to get cooked or you're going to have a dishes like that. When you say I'm cooked, it's not medium or I think it's a well done. Yeah, but it actually means you are finished. You're so tired today, exhausted, like you're just like I am cooked.
I'm done. I'm finished. Yeah. Right? Cooked. Okay. Third word that we put up there today was flat out. So if you hear an Australian say, I was flat out, it means they were working back-to-back meetings. They've been really, really busy. So they might come home from work and say, oh, I was flat out at work today. It means they were non-stop, go, go, go.
Well, I think this word's actually linked to the next word I want to talk about. It's called hard yakka.
Hard yakka.
Hard yakka, yeah. So like, cause you've been working so hard, so your like supervisor or whoever it is might pat your shoulder and say, hey man, you've been working hard yakka. Go home, have a rest. Something like that. Just means you did a good job and you've been working really hard.
You're doing the hard work. And the last word for today we put up there was durry. So in Australia, if you hear someone ask for a durry, they're asking for a cigarette. It's pretty common slang. It's not used as much as what it was, but now you know. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and catch up with us next week for some more Aussie slang.